Shivansh, cat says?
Meow.
Very good. Dog says?
Oof, oof.
Snake says?
Yes, yes.
Duck says?
Paka.
Hen says?
Sick, sick.
Horse says?
No. No.
Nah.
No.
Cow says?
No.
Cow.
Moo.
Sheep?
Baba.
Very good.